Hello, this is Duke Byte. We're going to learn another element of programming in C# that is for, while, do-while loops. Loops allow for multiple executions of single or whole groups of commands. Let's create a new C# file for our loops. We'll attach a new C# file to an object in the scene. Now let's open the code in the editor. The for statement executes an instruction or block of instructions when a specific logical expression results in true. This loop must be executed a certain number of times. The initialization step has performed first, and importantly, it has performed only once. This step allows you to declare the variable that controls the loop. Variable I is an initialization of the local loop variable, which hasn't accessed from outside the loop. The next step is a condition. If the condition returns true, the code block inside the loop will be executed. If not, the program has automatically gone to the first line of code directly after the for loop. After the code block is executed, it returns to the place of incrementation. Here we can update the value after which we iterate. The condition has rechecked. If the condition returns true, the code block has executed again. The loop is executed until the condition is true. Let's write a number from 0 to 9 in the console using the for loop. As we can see, we start with 0, our loop initializer, and end with 9 because the I variable is not smaller but equal to the value assigned to the number variable. We can use the conditional if instructions inside the loop to write only a specific loop sequence. If we want to reverse the loops in the initiation, we give the value from which we want to start. In the condition, the value at which the loop will end. The incrementation is replaced by decrementing. Instead of the 2 pluses, we enter 2 minuses. The execution of loops can be interrupted on demand. One such way is to use the break command. The while loop is executed repeatedly, as long as the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the program will automatically go to the first line of code immediately after the while loop. If the condition is always true, the application will be suspended. The while loop is executed 0 or more times. Unlike the while loop, which checks the condition at the beginning, the do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop. Both loops are similar, except that in case of the do while loop, we have a guarantee that it will be executed at least once. If the condition is true, we will return to the first line of our loop, the do command, and execute the code block again. This process will be repeated as long as the condition is true. I hope that the video has been helpful. If you have any comments or questions, I invite you to the comments section underneath the video. Don't forget to like this movie and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.